Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be doing some aggregate functions which are in SQL. So there are 5 types of aggregate functions which are average function, count function, max function, min function and sum function. So we will be discussing each and every one. So starting with average function, basically this function computes the average of given data, means if we want to calculate the average of any database. So as you can see, I have selected employee database, so I will be writing select avg, means average. If I want to calculate the average of esal, as you can see, esal, now average from employee, means table name. Okay, see my total average came. So this is the main syntax for every function. Like if I want to uh, do for the same count function, basically the count function counts the number of rows in a given column or expression. So I will be writing here select count total from table name from employee. So I will be doing same for count. Okay, see select count, now this, or okay, total. Okay, now from employee, see total 8. Now we will be moving with the third one, which is max function. It returns the maximum value from the given column. Same syntax, select, we will be writing select max for that. Select max. Like I want to calculate the maximum salary, so I will be writing here maximum salary from employee. See maximum salary 60,000. Now we will be moving with an next function, which is min function. Same, if I want to calculate the minimum salary, I will be writing select min. Select min. If I want to calculate, yes, esal, then I will be writing here minimum salary. Okay, now from employee, see minimum salary 5,000. So last function left, which is sum function. It returns the sum of values. Same syntax, select sum. If I want to calculate the sum of salaries, I will be writing total salary. Okay, from employee, see total salary. So these are some basic aggregate functions in SQL. So as you can see, the format is same, select count. If you want to select want to calculate the average, you can write select app. If I want to calculate salary, then average salary from table name. So this is very easy concept. So next we will be moving with the select statement. Today we will be doing select command. So I will be again taking I will be taking suppliers. Okay, use suppliers. I am taking supplier table. Okay, as I have made table, see my table has been created. Now I will be writing the select command, so I can see the insertion part of suppliers. See insertion part. Now I will be writing the main command, select supplier id, city, state from suppliers. See, this is the select command basically. As I have selected, I want to print supplier ID, city, state. It has been printed. Now I am taking another, which is employee. Use employee. Another table I am taking. Okay. See, my table has been printed. Now I will be writing select for insertion. See, insertion part is came. Now I will be writing the select command. Select ename, ecell, ephone from employee. See, this is the select command. It is very easy concept. Select command basically select the database what you want to print. Okay. So in today's video we have covered aggregate functions and select command. Aggregate functions are of 5 types, which are average function, count function, max function, min, and sum function. And we have also covered the select command in SQL. So in this video only this, in next video we will be moving further in SQL. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.